Hello everyone, thought I'd do a video of the new Garage Hive offices. We've had to move office simply just because we've outgrown the previous ones significantly, so half the staff were having to work from home. The growth was that much. So pleased to say this office is about 4 times the size of a previous one. Just do a quick walk around. So these are the new facilities, new kitchen, new staff room. We have a hob. I'm not sure why we have a hob. I'm not sure it'll ever be used, but it's there anyway. So nice big kitchen, a couple of toilets, obviously, and then moving into the main room. So this is where the magic happens, so to speak. So there are a few teams that work from here. Down here, we've got our accountancy and bookkeeping team. This is the team that can help you with your accounts. If you want to hand that over to the GH launch team, that's something we can look after for you. Then we have our sales team, our implementation team, and our support team. So a total of 16 people working out of this room. Currently, it's all very beautifully exactly the same, thanks to my OCD. So I'm sure I'll be very upset when everybody starts adding their personal touch tomorrow. But at least it looks great now. So this is the main room. Then we've got Dawn's office just in here. And then moving through the corridor, we've got the little demo pods. So this is where the sales team will do demonstrations, etc. Just little private rooms. We have a couple of those. And then moving into my office, it's not yet fully finished. So we're missing things like TVs off the wall and a bit of artwork. So it's all still very fresh. So big empty space in my office. And here's a little spoiler for what we're going to be filling that space with in the future. So watch this space. But moving on to my favorite room in the new offices. So I'm really pleased to say that we are now an IMI accredited training company. And we are going to be setting up some training courses all around Garage Hive, including things like business management, service advisors, all revolving around the Garage Hive platform. I'm also going to be hosting a business management workshop, business planning workshop, which you'll all be invited to. So this room it can be set up in multiple ways. It can be set up as a boardroom. It's currently set up as a training room. We have facility for about 16 people within this training room. So that's officially the tour of the Garage Hive's new offices. It's pretty mind-blowing from my perspective, to be honest with you. I never expected we would get this far as a company. So it's just nice to see, the fruits of your labour, and none of this would be possible without the constant support from the Garage Hive community. We're very, very lucky to have you guys. So yeah, thank you very much for the ongoing support. I hope to see most of you down here at some point, getting some training and meeting the team over the next year or two. So keep your eyes out for the courses. We're going to be releasing the courses some point later on this year. So that is the new Garage Hive offices. I hope you like it, and speak soon. Thank you.